Most people believe money is about maths, calculations, and complicated financial strategies. But the truth is far more surprising. Money is emotional, and the way you behave with money matters more than how much you know about it. And this is exactly why someone with average income can build real wealth, while someone with a high salary can still live stressed, broke, and constantly worried. This is the central message of the psychology of money, and it becomes clear the moment you look around in real life. Think about two coworkers earning the same salary. One spends freely the moment the money arrives, buying new phones, shoes, and gadgets to look successful, while the other quietly saves a portion of every paycheck, invests slowly, and avoids showing off. From the outside, the first coworker appears rich, but the truth is the second coworker is building actual financial strength, because as Morgan Housel says, wealth is what you don't see. Your real wealth is your savings, your investments, your emergency funds, and the financial stability that gives you confidence and peace. The book explains that every person views money differently because all of us come from different backgrounds. Someone who grew up in a household where money was always tight may develop a habit of saving deeply, even excessively, because it makes them feel safe. Meanwhile, someone raised in comfort may take bold risks with their money because they never experienced scarcity. These behaviors are not right or wrong. They are simply shaped by experience, and this is why judging other people's financial decisions is pointless. The same logic applies to compounding, one of the biggest secrets in wealth building. Compounding seems slow at first, almost invisible, but it creates extraordinary results over time. Think of simple daily habits: reading for 10 minutes a day, exercising for 15 minutes daily, or saving a small amount every month. In the short term, they feel insignificant, but in a few years, they completely change your life. Money works the exact same way. Warren Buffett did not become a billionaire because he found a magic formula. He simply started investing at a young age, stayed patient, and let compounding multiply his wealth over decades. The book emphasizes that wealth is more about behavior than income. You can earn a lot and still be broke if you spend every rupee or dollar trying to impress others. On the other hand, someone with modest income can slowly build wealth by controlling spending, saving consistently, and avoiding unnecessary risks. A real-life example is simple. Imagine two brothers. The first earns double the salary but constantly buys expensive items to look superior. The second lives a simple lifestyle, invests regularly, and avoids debt. After 10 years, the first brother is drowning in loans and stress, while the second brother owns assets, savings, and peace of mind. The lesson is clear. How much you keep matters more than how much you earn. The book also highlights one of the most important truths about money: freedom. Money is not just for luxury, travel, or showing status. The real purpose of money is control over your time. Think about how a day feels when you have the freedom to wake up without pressure, compared to a day when you must rush because bills, debts, and deadlines are chasing you. That feeling of control is the highest form of wealth, and it is far more satisfying than any expensive car or branded item. Another powerful principle from the book is avoiding extreme financial risks. Most people lose money not because they are stupid, but because they get greedy or overconfident. One wrong investment, one gamble, one get-rich-quick scheme can destroy years of progress. It's like driving a car. You can speed and take risks for excitement, but one mistake can end everything. Financial success is less about big wins and more about avoiding big losses. Always protect your ability to stay in the game. The book also talks about the idea of enough, which is one of the most important lessons for modern life. Many people ruin their financial life because they don't know when to stop. They keep comparing themselves to someone richer, someone more successful, someone with a bigger house or a fancier car. This never-ending chase leads to stress, anxiety, and bad decisions. But when you decide what enough means for you, you gain freedom from comparison, and you make better decisions with a clear mind. Another key lesson is that the future is unpredictable. No expert, economist, or news channel can perfectly predict how the economy, markets, or world events will behave. Instead of trying to guess the future, the smarter strategy is preparing for it. This means building emergency savings, avoiding debt as much as possible, diversifying investments, and staying ready for surprises. Real life proves this. Unexpected medical bills, sudden job changes, new opportunities, or global events can appear out of nowhere. Preparation beats prediction every time. The final message of the book is the importance of patience. Wealth rarely comes fast. It comes slowly, quietly, steadily, and often without applause. Most people fail because they want quick results, but real wealth requires long-term thinking. Imagine planting a fruit tree. You don't get fruits in a week. You water it consistently, protect it, and wait. Over time, it grows strong and produces more than you ever expected. Money works exactly like that. When you combine patience, discipline, emotional control, and long-term thinking, wealth becomes not just possible, but unavoidable. The psychology of money teaches that financial success is not about genius. It is about behavior. If you save regularly, avoid greed, stay patient, ignore comparison, and focus on freedom rather than appearance, money becomes a powerful tool that builds a calmer, smarter, and more meaningful life.